Hello, Shalane. Take two. Nawala kanina. Ooh, lamig guys. Ang lamig na. It's too cold. It's cold. Do you guys wanna go inside now? Jelana, it's cold. Shh. Jelana, don't do that. Okay, jump now. If you're not jumping, then let's go inside. It's really cold. It's 8 a.m. here. 8 p.m. It's gonna be 8 p.m. Oh, be careful. What happened? No, you just next time just look where she's going. Okay. Jelana, we'll go inside now. If you guys fighting, okay. No, please, but be aware where she's going though. Thank you, Shalane. Dami pa ring ano, no? Angels na nanonood. Non-stop. Julie, don't do that. Please don't. You're in the video. Oh, it's 8:44 here. Hello, Maricar. Kumusta? Ang lamig-lamig, nilalamig na nga ako. Mm. What happened? Why pusha pusha? What does that mean? What happened? I think it's raining. Is that rain? Okay, do you want to go inside now? We can play in the garage, anak. You don't want to get sick because school tomorrow. And tomorrow you're gonna buy school supply. Tomorrow is school supply, anak. No, well, Jade is wearing her helmet. But yeah, say Jade, we're gonna go now. Yeah, we'll have daddy to tell her. Oo nga. Sana all. Let's just play inside. You guys can play that hockey. The hockey game. Oh, really? Oh my goodness, it's really cold, Jelana. You're not cold? I am cold. Ang dami mong angel, Maricar. Don't. No, even though. Oo nga, back to school na. Grabe, uy. Yeah. Oh,